come and seek me out. My soul cries for you like a weary land. I'm dry and I'm thirsting for truth. Would you come take my foolish heart and shepherd it? Would you straighten out all my paths? Would you cause me to lean not on my understanding, but trust you with all my heart? I stare at the road ahead and I know I'm so very blind and naive. I'm crying out, give me discernment which comes from the fear of the Lord. Would you pour out your spirit and make your words known? Stretch out your hand once again. When you shout from the streets, help me to heed and not turn from your loving reproof. Help me to seek wisdom as silver and search for her as hidden treasure. The wisdom I need comes from your mouth. Store up for me this wealth. Make my ears be attentive to all that you say. Incline my whole heart to your ways. Let wisdom and knowledge enter my heart and be pleasant to my soul. Make my ears be attentive to all that you say. Incline my whole heart to your ways. Let wisdom and knowledge enter my heart and be pleasant to my soul. And be pleasant to my soul. And be pleasant to my soul.